put in the group, class is there, message.
Yes, ma'am. You want?
Okay, so only they must have not joined, I think so. Okay. Fine, I'll do
Please
one
put the
thing. Do you
message
have,
now, ma'am.
yeah,
Please put the message now.
they will join, huh? No, let it be. It's okay. They must be weekend, right? They must be gone out. Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'll do one thing. I'll just take 1, 2, 3 programs and I will leave because maybe they don't know. I think so. Okay, 2, 3 programs I'll take. Okay, and then early I will leave as maybe they must have not been knowing, or they can see the recordings also, right? So till where we have completed?
Last we seen NumPy arrange method.
Okay, arrange method. Fine. So I have not started. No, NumPy dictionaries, so series with NumPy series with dictionaries over, right?
Yes, ma'am. It's complete.
Okay, now next one is yours. What do you call as? No, one more thing. The NumPy arrays, which program I have taken? With using the columns, right? Or no? Only with the arrange method?
Yes, ma'am. You
Hello?
have different three methods. Arrange,
Only
arrange,
arrange, right?
arrange.
Okay.
But
Array
arrange only
method,
complete.
uh, array method we have not seen, I think so, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you are not. Okay. So same thing. Okay, we'll take one program which shows the array method. Okay. So now same part you can do with me. So import pandas as PD. And as we are using numerical Python, so I am calling import NumPy as NP. Right now, I want to do an array program. So simply I will declare one variable. Okay, a simple variable by using list called as array, and I will make this as an np dot array. So how you did np dot array? So the same thing, np dot array, and inside this the data will be there. And here data what I will put like 4 subject marks. Okay, I want to put what 4 subject marks. So I want to take a list. Then how do I put? Yes, if I want to take a list and I want to put 4 subject marks, then how do I will put? So I have to take 4 list. Yes or no? So suppose I am taking here, these are my 4 subject marks, right? So this is for the first student. Oh, means the for the first row it will be. Getting here. Now second list I will take. Okay. So second list also you enter the marks. So randomly you can enter anything. Okay. Now same ways I will take a third list. Okay. For third list you have no, I am not giving any names. Okay. Here I am not giving any student names because we are using a list. Comma. And the last list. Right. Now what I have done, I have created a NumPy array. Okay. Inside the NumPy array, what I have done, I have put the 4 subject marks. Okay. Inside the NumPy array, I have put the 4 subject marks and I have taken a list. I have not taken a dictionary over here. Okay. See how the program will be different. Now I want to put the headings, right? 4 subject marks, which are these subjects? English, or whatever computer science or C++ or SQL, which subject marks are there. So what I will take one variable called as a list variable called as val. Inside this, I will put these names, okay, column labels. So suppose C++, this is the for the Java, this is for your SQL, and this is for your AI, right? That now I will create a data frame. Getting here. So df is equals to pd dot data frame inside the bracket. Now inside this, what is the syntax? Data comma index comma d type and columns also. So what I will put here, data is equal to, what is my data over here? What variable I have taken? Array. Getting here, comma columns. What are the columns I have taken? Columns I'll give as what? Val. Are you getting? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Right now, what I will do? Print df. See, there are so many varieties of programs to do, not only this way. So you have to know each and every way, whichever suits to your project, that way, whichever is the faster coding, you should be able to do that. So now demo, I'll replace this. What is the error? Positional arguments. So just go back and see what is the error. Any index mismatch is there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is showing for positional error. Four are given. So what they are telling, it takes for 1, 2, 3, 4. But I have not given index, right? So it has to take. Please do it. What are you getting? Are you people getting? Sometimes because I am saving the same name, file name, right? It won't get to see whether you are getting. It is error. Is it done? Are you getting the same error you are getting?
Yes, ma'am. Same here.
Same error. So 1, 2, 3. It's correct actually. Now it is giving error. Okay, no, this is correct. Okay, the code is correct. Let me check this.
Like the positional argument error, right? So we
No,
have
why?
to
Because
reduce
I
the
have
list.
not given indexes. So
Okay.
indexes should come as 0, 1, 2, 3. Are you getting? And I am giving columns over here. So columns means C++, Java, SQL, AI. Right, like this. So my output should be like this. So it has to come as per my coding. I want the headings over here. Column headings I have given. Let me check this code. What is the error? Right. If we are doing like this, then so here we are getting 67. See here 67, 78, 75, and 45. By row wise you will get. Are you getting? 67. This is what my requirement. Right, according to the row wise. So this is the first row. Then comes this 88. Then comes 90. Then comes 90. So all are fitting. Should not give this error. Okay. And I'll just let you know for this program because as far I feel this coding is correct. No other error is there. Columns is equal to val. Column only it is not columns. It is correct. Columns only we are having the keyword. Let me check with. We have used a dictionary with the data frame, right? That has been running, right? Dictionary with the data frame is being done.
It requires square bracket inside the
Huh?
array line.
Yes.
Inside array line, it's
Huh.
requires square bracket. Array equal to np dot array. Yeah.
Yeah. This subscript you are telling, right? As an array.
Yeah.
No. Actually, I have yes. Here you can give the subscript. Yes.
It works now.
Yeah, it will work. It's not recognizing an array. I'll just remove this. So logically it is correct. Syntactically, yes. Very nice. It's coming, right? So this square bracket was missing for array subscript because I have given these list and this square bracket was missing, right? Done. Now next thing done, right? Shall I go forward? Yes. Shall I move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now what we will do, we will take attributes of data frame. Okay, there are many attributes in a data frame. So you are, I finished series attributes, right? Have I taken series attributes? Hello?
You mean Pandas series?
No, I'm getting confused. No, your batch, I have completed all series and data frames also started, right?
Data frame is not started, ma'am. Only series completed. After then we have seen
Oh,
array.
data frame was not started for your batch.
Yes, ma'am. It's not started.
Okay. Acha, series attributes is get completed?
Yeah, series completed.
The last topic before this program which I had taken
Arrange
we
method, ma'am. Only arrange method we have seen.
by using series.
Yes, ma'am. Inside series we have used arrange.
Oh, okay, so see, the data frame methods only have not started, right? Drop method and all taken in series.
Drop
Head
method.
and tail.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I would have not taken this program. Okay, fine. Anyways, see, series you have done slicing also, right? I'm not remembering what I have taken for your batches. Series last program arrange method I have taken means attributes I have to take. Okay, so we'll create one series first. Import pandas as PD. Then I would have not started the data frame then. I want to take arrays with the series, right? So same program I will convert with the series np dot array, same program, okay? But I'll take only a small series. 20, 30, 40. Right? And here what I will do is that I will take one series object, suppose S1, is my series object pd dot series. Okay, inside the bracket array, and then I will say print s1. Okay, now see what I have done. Previously, you have taken, I think so, same program, you have taken np dot arrange. So now I am taking an array. Okay, so I am giving the list values, 4 values, and I have simple created one series object. I'll say, okay, got it? Okay, simple series object. This was a data frame. I have to take the concept of data frame. I did not take, sorry, I was not knowing. Okay, getting here, simple series. So I have taken an array method and I have put the list values. Then 4 values I have put in the list. Got it right? Okay. Now same thing what I will do is that I will put an index over here. So what is the data over here? What is my syntax of the series? Series object name is equals to pd dot series inside the bracket data. Data is inside array, right? 10, 20, 30, 40. Data is inside over here. And index by default it is taking what? 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose if I want to give index means I will put a comma over here. Index is equals to, now put the index values, right? Getting it? So now it should show ABCD, right? Getting it? Hello? Yes? Got it right? Shall we move ahead? Huh? Murli, Sangeeta, are you there? Murli, Sangeeta, are you there? Please
Sorry.
unmute
Yes, ma'am.
yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll go
Yes,
ahead,
ma'am.
right?
Yes.
Fine. So now we will do indexing and slicing for this series object. Okay. So what do you mean by indexing? You all know, right? Positional index. Just now we were doing for the data frames, right? So we have to take the positional indexing. So positional indexing means what? Whenever you are giving any integer values to your position of your series object. Again, I will tell, whenever you are going to give any positional index, that means what? You are giving an integer value to the position of your series. Okay, at that time it is called as what? Positional index, and it always starts with 0. So whenever you are having 0, 1, 2, 3, right, by default index values are there. At that time it is called as what? Positional index. And what is your labeled indexing? Whenever you are giving your own values. See here now, index is equal to ABCD. I have not given any integer values. So whenever you are not giving any integer values, okay, at that time it is called as what? Labeled indexing. Getting here? So now positional index, if you want to access, okay, your positional index, then you can access your positional index by that particular index position. So how you will do that? So this is your series object. Suppose I'll just remove this at present, and we will access the positional index. So the same thing, what I will do is that array, okay, of 1. So I am giving here 1. So which is the first index over here?
20.
Let's run this. right? 20 is coming. Okay, so positional indexing, you whenever you want to access, so you can access the elements of your series object by the index position. Same thing, labeled indexing. Okay, so whenever you want to access a single value or multiple values based on the index, you can have the accessing by using the indexing method. So now we will see for the labeled indexing. So how do I do that? Same program, but what I will do is that here I will give index, labeled indexing, right? And now I will I'll give the slicing technique, right? I want to give the label indexing, right? So I have to use my slicing technique. So I will just copy paste this. Okay, now labeled indexing, I have to use slicing. Okay, I have to perform slicing on the series. So suppose I am telling the first value if I want to put. Slicing you all know. So initially I am putting only the 0th index position. Okay, see here I am putting more 0th index position. S is not defined. Okay, array, right? I have not given S1. I have given array. Right? So 10 is coming. See the code? Getting yes or no? Hello?
It works when we give S1 also.
Yes. Now, usually we'll follow the logic, right? Where is your data? Your data is inside your array.
Array.
Okay. So, so you see, you are using two methods over here, right? You have done the NumPy array also. You have done pt.series also. So, anyways, is fine, right?
Okay.
Getting here, you are doing two ways over here. Suppose this is not there. Okay. And suppose this is not there and your data is over here. That time you will give only S1. Okay. Now, suppose you are having what if you want to give your suppose you have done right last three elements, first three elements in slicing. How do you do that? Yes, tell me. Print. If you're getting confused, I'll remove this and I'll give the data over here. If you're getting confused with this, for those who are new. Okay. This is simple. So now I can give here S1 and now you give, suppose if you want to take the last three elements, how do you do that? Or first three elements? How do you do that in slicing? Same thing as you did in list slicing. Yes, first three elements. So nothing I am give, I'll not give anything start. I'll just give the stop. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Same thing that you learned for slicing, list slicing. The same thing we are doing it over here also. Now, same thing if I want to print the last three elements, okay, then how do I do that? Last three elements means from back portion. Getting here. So from back portion, can I use backward indexing? -3? Yes or no? Last three elements.
Yes, ma'am.
-3. See, last three elements I want to use. Okay. And I am using what here? -3 colon. Getting here. So do remember, so only I told slicing techniques of list, whatever you learned in core Python, list slicings, that should be perfect. Now same thing what I will do, please do with me and you can mention in the comment. Okay, for those who are newcomers, here you can put a comment over here. Okay, like this. Okay, so that you will understand. If you want, you can put. If you don't want, it means first three elements. Okay, this is last three elements. Okay, like that you can put a comment. Last three elements, right? Same thing. Suppose if I tell over here, I want to display the elements from, I am having one, right? 1, 2, 3. Display the elements of 1 to 3 from index 1 to 3. Then how do you do that? Simple.
1:4.
Yes, 1:4. Very correct. 1:4. Right? Okay. So all these slicing techniques you can remember. Suppose if I want to display the entire series in the reversing order, then in reverse order I want to print, and the whole entire series I want to print. Again, I am telling reversing order means what? -1. Okay, always remember. And the whole series, if I want to print, means you put 4 column, right? Now see, so entire -1 means what? Entire thing, entire series in reversing order, and 4 column means the whole series will print. -1 means from backward it will print. Okay, so you can practice for all these. Same thing we had done what for I think so 2:4:, 1:, okay, S1:, like that you can print. So this was about your slicing, okay, positional indexing and your labeled indexing. So labeled indexing is there means you can take these labeled indexing as a slicing technique. Always remember. So if I don't want the slicing techniques over here, I want to put my labeled index only, for example. Okay, I don't want this slicing techniques. I want to put my labeled indexing only. I want to access the elements by the labeled indices, means how you will print. You can say print and put the index value. Simple. So you want to start with where? You want to start with A, suppose, right? And you want to make a colon for suppose D. Okay, start and stop. I have not put the brackets. Let me put the brackets over here. Square brackets. And the name S1. Okay. So S1 and then B:E. Sorry, what is that? A:D. Getting it? Okay. So this is what you can have the accessing the elements with the labeled indexes. Right? Now, same thing you can do it for what? If you want to initialize, right? If you want to change the values of these labeled indexing, then directly you can change the values. How do you do that? Directly you can say what? S1 inside the bracket. So you want to put a scalar value over here, constant value. From suppose B to D you want to put. So, okay. So it will give you constant value. So from B, C, D, all values gets changed, right? So this will be updated, all the values. Getting here? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this was about your positional indexing and labeled indexing. Again, I will repeat. Positional indexing means what? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And labeled indexing means what? A, B, C, D, whatever you are giving your own names, your own values. Okay. And slicing is the same thing that you learned in your list slicings. Right? Accessing and putting the values will be according to your indexes. Whatever index you are getting, the same thing you have to give. Now, apart from this, okay, apart from these, whatever you learned, okay, apart from these, you are having two more methods. I'll just comment this. Apart from this, you are having two more methods in your series. And which are those? You are having two methods called as ILOC and LOC methods. I'll write over here ILOC and LOC methods are used for, okay, indexing and accessing, okay, of series object, right? Now the difference is what? In if you are using an LOC method, okay, then you have to specify your row label, okay, or a column label. If you are using an series, you will specify the row label, okay. And if you are using an ILOC method, then you have to specify the integer value, whatever integer value is there, that you are going to specify. Only this is the difference. So practically we will see what it is. I'll comment this. So same thing, what I will do is that I will just say S1, okay, inside the bracket, I want to put the values. So I will just say first LOC, okay. And here I will put my values. Okay, so LOC is for labeled indexing. As I said, I means whenever you are having integer indexings. Right? Getting it? Hello?
Could you repeat this?
Hello?
Hello.
Yes.
Could you repeat?
Tell me. Yeah. Tell me.
Could you repeat this, ma'am?
See, I am doing what? I am using the LOC and ILOC methods. Okay. Up till now, here what you did, you used positional indexing and labeled indexing. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so positional indexing and labeled indexing, you access the values. Okay,
Yeah.
you have accessed the values. You did slicing techniques. By using the slicing techniques, you accessed, or by using the labeled indexing directly. See here, directly labeled indexing I am calling, right? So by that also you have accessed. Now, one more provision is there in Python of using LOC and ILOC methods. These are the inbuilt methods. Okay, in Python. So why, for what purpose it is? These are used for indexing or accessing the series object. Whenever you want to access any value of the series object, you can use these methods. Okay, you can call these methods. So you are directly putting this, right? So rather than this, you are just calling .loc. Syntax is what? Series object name .loc, and you are putting the labeled index values. Now at present here I am having labeled, right? So I am putting labeled index values. So
Both
it is printed
both
as
way we can
BC.
use.
Huh?
Both way we can
Yes.
use.
Huh?
Directly we can use the label
Yeah.
and also
See,
local.
this also is there. See here, everything I have put, right. This is also is there. This is also is there. But
Okay.
these are also two methods. Okay. So some projects will use LOC and ILOC method.
Okay. Okay.
So now if suppose I am using ILOC, then I cannot give the labeled indexing. Okay, just only one difference. If ILOC I am using, it is integer values, means what? I will give my by default indexes. So whenever I am having by default indexes, that time I will give ILOC. So I have to give like this. I cannot give P:\D. So now I'll just wait. I'll just put this. Right, getting it? See, BCD. This is for the first. For one colon for also BCD only will come. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. I'll put from 0 so that you will understand. Done. See, B:\D, this one. From 0:4, this one. Getting here?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So these are the two methods. Why we are using these? Because suppose if you want to raise any index error, Okay, if you want to raise any exceptions, okay, at that time, if you are using LOC and ILOC, then you can perform those operations. Okay, otherwise it is one and the same. You can give this also, you can give this also. Okay, you can use any method. For exceptional handling, huh?
In last line, ILOC 0 is 4 means it will give only 3 elements, right? But it will give 4.
Why 3 elements?
0 to 3. Slice.
1, 2, 3, correct. Now all 40 is there, na? Suppose if I give here 3, then what you are telling is correct.
Okay.
If I give here 3, then what you are telling is correct. See, 0, 1, 2, 3. So till 30 is giving. 40 it is not giving.
Out
Yes or
of
no?
it, give
Huh?
it won't be error, ma'am.
Yeah.
If we
Yes.
give out of index,
Out of the bound, right?
yeah, yeah,
You're telling 4. Like, see,
yeah,
was just that is the ending part, right?
yeah.
It will take everything.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
It
It
won't
is
give
going to take
any error.
everything. No, no, no. See, if I give over here 4, where error is coming?
Just for clarification.
No, no, no. Okay.
Okay.
Right? Getting here? Now you are having some of the attributes, as I said. Okay. So these were the accessing, indexing and accessing of series. Now you are having some of the attributes. What do you mean by attributes? So some of the properties which you are specifying inside the series. So suppose, for example, you are having many attributes. I'll just name over here one by one. So how you will write series object name. Okay, the syntax is what? Series object name dot index. Okay, so like that, you are having different attributes. So you are having s1 dot values. Okay, then you are having what is that property? Size. Okay, so s1 is my series. So size. Okay. Then you are having many attributes are there, but those which are very important that you have to study, you can't skip that. Okay, then you are having NaN values. NaN we have taken, right? Hello, hello. NaN I have taken,
Yes, ma'am.
ra?
Yeah.
So if you want to check any NaN values are there or not, okay, then you can check with the has NaN. You're having a property called as a has NaN. So s1 dot has NaNs. Okay. If you want to print the name of the series also, you can print. Okay, you are having name property. Means you want to know what is this. If a code is there, project code, and you are not getting which is the series object, so you can just put the name. Okay, it will assign a name to the series. That's it. Okay, just a name will be given to the series. S1 dot name. So these are some of the properties of your attributes of your index series object. So one by one, we'll just take one line of code. It is, so suppose I will say s1 dot series. Okay. S1 dot size. So what are the values of the series that it will print? So how many values are there in the series? 4. So the size is what? 4. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you are having one more property called as endim. I have not mentioned there. Endim. Endim means what? Number of dimensions. So as I said, series is an one dimensional. So always any program you take for the series, it will return as one only. Data frames that we were doing, that is a two dimensional one. right? So like that you can print, and suppose you are having what you want to check whether it is empty or not. Okay, so obviously your series is empty. No, right? So if it is not empty or if it is empty, it will always return true or false values. Okay, so it gives the Boolean values. Right? Even for has and ends, you can make it for has and ends. Has and end also it will return Boolean values. Getting it? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Same thing. What is the next values, right? I have written. So you can give for values here series object name dot values. Okay, and also what is left has and ends. You can try for has and ends, and also I will put one more index name also I will put over here. Okay, index. Right, any index I have given over here. Okay, I have not given any index, so it is returning as none. If you want to check whether your index name, if you want to give any index name means you can assign it. So how do you assign that? If you want to assign means you will just put s1 dot index dot name is equals to, and then you can put it here and say what is that, marks suppose. And you can print it. Okay, you should print this one so that you will understand. See now, right? So now you can print this. Just print it. It is already been done, but you have to print it. Then only it will show you. Let us print here. Right? Getting, hello, got it or not?
Yes, ma'am. Got
Okay.
it.
Hmm. Same thing if you want to print only indexes. Hmm. Only indexes you want to print, then you can do it by s1 dot index. Only indexes you want to print. Getting it? See here, index is equal to ABCD. Right? Got it? Tell me.
Got it.
Yeah, got it, right? So after this, I'll just move ahead with the next concept called as head and tail. Okay, so that I can finish today's series. Tomorrow I will start with the data frames. Tomorrow means Monday. Okay, so now what is an head and tail functions? You are having two methods in your, I'll take a new file. Wait. No, I'll continue in this. So you are having two methods called as head function, okay, and tail. Okay, there are two methods, head and tail methods in your Python. And for what purpose it is? These are used whenever you want to retrieve any values. Okay, whenever you want to access any values. Okay, access your values from series object. Now you were accessing through your indexing and slicing also, right? So apart from that, you can use this. So suppose you are giving head of n. Okay, so n means what? Number of values. Hello. So head of n means what? N, if your n means what? How many elements you are giving? N is equal to 4, n is equal to 3. So head of n will return what? The first n elements, whatever n elements you are giving. Okay. Same thing if you are having tail of n. Tail of n means what? It will return the last n number of elements. Are you getting? So we will see this. So what do I have over here? So print, and I will say S1, my series name dot head. Okay, I will not put any. So I suppose n is equals to 3, I will return. So what is my series object? Let me print first series object. Where is my series object? Print S1, I'll print here. Wait. Right. Now I'm running over this. Right. So what is my S1? S1 is ABCD. Okay, and S1 dot head of 3 means what? First three elements is printing. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Head of 3. Are you getting? Print S1 is what? This. Okay, this is S1. And one line I have left, and then S1 dot head 3 means first three elements. Same thing, what I will do, I will print for last three elements. Okay, I am accessing the last three elements. So what I will give? Tail. Tail of 3. Right? Now see, getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Last three elements. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first three, last three. Now suppose if I don't give any parameters. Okay. So I am not giving any parameters. What I will do, I will just leave simply as blank. So I am removing this parameters. This parameters also I am removing. So if no parameters are given, then the Python will return all the elements. Suppose I am having now 4, right? Okay, so it will return all the 4. Suppose if I am having 10 elements, then it will return the first 5 rows of data. Are you getting? So for example, see, it is returning all the rows. Head, S1 dot head, S1 dot tail. But suppose if I'm having more data over here, I'll just remove this. I cannot give that many indexes. If my series is like this, why it is showing it. Now see what it is showing. How many elements are there for me? I'll print this. See, Control B. Yeah. Can you see this? See what I have made the changes. My elements series object name elements is how much? 10 to 90. Yes or no? So
Yes.
10 to 90 it is. And here I am printing, see, print S1. So is it printing all elements? 10 to 90, right? Then I am giving what? S1 dot head. S1 dot head means what? No parameters.
5 elements.
So first 5. Okay. Here also last 5.
Okay.
Getting it? And the next one you are having is what? Head minus 2 and tail minus 2. Very important. This is the last, then we can stop it. So tail minus 2. Okay. So you can give minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, whatever you want. So now it is exactly the opposite of head and tail functions. So now see here, you can give print s1 dot, suppose the same thing, you give print s1 dot head minus 2. So what it is showing you? So it will return all the elements. Are you doing? It will return all the elements except the last 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
See, now I am giving minus 2. Okay, except the last 2, everything it is giving. Right? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
head minus 2, it is opposite. Just exactly the opposite of head and tail. So now tail minus 2 I will give. So tail minus 2, it will return what? It will return all the elements
First two
except
elements
the
will be the.
first 2.
Oh,
Okay, done? See,
yes, ma'am.
getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are head and tail functions of the series. So today, what all things we have learned? We have learned for the series all attributes. We did series positional indexing and label indexing, how to access the elements. Okay, then series slicing we did, and we did what? Head and tail functions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So fine, then I think so. Name values I have to teach, and also data frames I can start from Monday,
Okay.
right? Okay. So any doubts you can ask me, others will stop for today.
To access the element instead of slicing, we can use head and tail. Yes, ma'am. That's right.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. It is a part of a slicing only. Instead of slicing, you can use head and tail.
In head and
When you
tail, we
slice,
won't need to give a index value or label
no,
value.
no. The
Oh,
syntax follows like this only. Either
okay.
you give head n number of elements, or you
Yeah.
put minus 3, minus 4. Okay.
Okay. In between, we need in between the values we can use slicing.
Yes, yes, you can use
Oh,
this. This is used oftenly in projects rather than list slicing that you did, right? So
okay.
sometimes in projects they are using head and tail.
Okay.
It is a
Okay.
part of a slice. It is like a slicing only. It is for slicing.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Anything any else is there?
No, ma'am.
All right. Okay, fine. Fine. Then do the practice of this. Okay, whatever we have learned for today.
Okay.
Okay. Then Monday I will start with data frames and also NumPy. No, not name values.
Okay.
Okay. Fine then.
Thank
Okay,
you.
we'll stop then. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.